Wow, look at the water here. Sprinkle. Not clear, but good for plants. Here my vegetables. It is 3 o'clock now in the afternoon here, guys. Oh, I should have to show you here. Look. That's concrete now. All over. Let's take umbrella here. Wow, nice. Nice and clean. Very nice. So clean our backyard, guys. Very, very clean. I really love it. I like walking here. Fancy. Simple, fancy. Simple and fancy. Nice. Yeah, it's showering here, guys. See the flower here. Pusha pink. Nice. So let's go here at the back, guys. I want to see my tomato. Very healthy. Very so healthy. So this is now our backyard here. It's like front yard. So nice. I need to change my shoes. Just wear boots and umbrella because he's showering here. Excuse me. I'm going to show you guys my potato. Look my potato, guys. There. Nice and healthy. One of the dog lost. Piglet, I need to go. Ako ni mabakti na, eh. Kuha sa kulot, guys. Baho. Uy, Dick! Naglatago, maadin ka agi, Dick. Oh my God. Dick! I think he jumped. Asa ka agi, Dick? Nara pa eh. Uy, gusto gandagan ay. Uy, Dick. Buot-buot ka, Dick. Abri pa. Dili. Ha? Rogan? Kasawa ni mo? Dili. Dick, agoy kipos. Okay, klaro, Dick. Ay, agoy ko na, Dick. Klaro, Dick. Dili pa. Isa pa. Kadua na pa. Dili ba? Sigawan, uy. You should put that one down. Put it down. Please, Roy. Okay, that's our rain. Weak rain. Very clean our backyard, guys. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching again. Bye, tutut.